Hi family, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing with you all 10 tips in which you can be able to regrow your hair naturally. If you are new here, my name is Muna. My channel is all about feminine hygiene, beauty, and I share a lot of tips and tricks on how to grow a healthy hair. If you would like to join the family and if that is what you like, please do well to press the red subscription button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell button close to it so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Have you ever noticed a lot of hair strands on the floor while you are trying to comb or detangle your hair? Or have you ever noticed your hairline receding recently? Then you are not alone. Losing your hair, though, at an early age can not only affect your physical health but your mental health as well. Excessive hair loss can be a serious problem if not given attention to. You and I can be a victim of hair loss due to certain reasons or conditions such as stress, hereditary factors, medical conditions, hair treatments, and even the use of the wrong products on your hair. All this can lead to excessive hair loss. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and do not forget to leave a comment. Have you been experiencing hair fall recently? Would you like to share or practice any of these tips? Please let me know in the comment section below. So without further preambles, let's get started. And I'll be sharing with you all 10 tips that can help you regrow your hair naturally. And do not forget to watch to the end because the two last tips, they are very, very important. So without further preambles, let's get started. The first on the list we are going to talk about today is onion juice. Onion is rich in sulfur, which helps regenerate the hair follicles. It also stimulates hair growth to the scalp. Recent study also indicates that the use of onion juice on your scalp helps regrow your hair naturally. Onion also contains anti-inflammatory properties which help with scalp issues, dandruff, and also scalp inflammation. And as you all know, a healthy hair leads to a healthy scalp leads to a healthy head of hair. So when your scalp is neat, definitely your hair will do what? Your hair would grow. So do well to incorporate onion juice into your hair regimen. And as you all know, I have a lot of videos on onion juice, so I'm going to be linking it in the cards above on 3 ways in which you can use onion juice to regrow your hair naturally. The next on the list is stress reduction. The next, number 2, is stress reduction. As you all know, the hustling and bustling in my country here is a thing. A lot of stress around, and stress is one of the major factors that leads to hair loss, excessive hair loss. Why do I say this? Stress can push a large amount of hair follicles to the resting phase, and within a few months, the affected part or the affected hair begin to do what? You begin to lose hair excessively. Simply combing your hair, detangling your hair, or even washing your hair. Stress produces a hormone called cortisol, and cortisol leads to excess production of DHT, which leads to male and female baldness. Stress can also cause the body's immune system to attack the hair follicles, thereby leading to excessive hair loss. So that is why it's very, very important for you to reduce stress. And what are ways in which you can reduce stress? 1, through meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and also exercise. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you all 3 different yoga methods in which can help you regrow back your edges and reduce excessive hair breakage. Third is coconut milk. Yes, you must have heard about coconut oil, and you know, if you have been part of my journey in my channel, you know that I love coconut oil so much. But coconut milk even does better compared to coconut oil. Coconut milk is loaded with vitamins such as niacin and folate, which improves blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn does leads to hair which helps fight damage to the scalp and to the hair while also conditioning the hair. So there are various ways in which you can use coconut milk. You can apply it on your scalp, leave it, massage it thoroughly, and then leave it in for 45 minutes or 30 minutes, then you wash it off. So coconut milk is very essential because it helps regrow our hair naturally. The next on the list is egg. Yes, I know eggs. They smell badly. Yes, they can do wonders for your hair. They help regrow your hair naturally because they are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Egg is also packed with protein, B complex vitamins that helps does what? Curb hair fall and also strengthens the roots. Egg also helps stimulate hair regrowth as well. They help stimulate new hair growth and also they help strengthen the hair strands, adding shine and thickness to the hair. So egg is very, very essential. So do not mind the smell. You can actually add essential oils to bring down the smell, but they can definitely help you regrow your hair naturally and also thicken your hair with time. The next on the list is one of my favorites, and that is aloe vera. Oh yes, aloe vera, aloe vera, aloe vera. I love aloe vera so much. Aloe vera can help regrow your hair naturally. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzyme which helps stimulate the scalp and also treat scalp issues like dandruff and also scalp inflammation. Aloe vera also contains vitamin E and vitamin C. Aloe vera helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which leads to hair regrowth. Also, due to its anti-inflammatory and anti-fungal properties, it helps treat scalp issues and also help with hair and also help in curbing hair fall and hair loss. And when you are able to curb hair fall, curb hair loss, what happens? It leads to what? Length retention. So aloe vera will definitely help you regrow your hair naturally. And aloe vera can be used in different ways. You can use aloe vera as an oil, you can use it as a mask, you can mix it with your castor oil, olive oil, apply it on your scalp, massage your scalp thoroughly. After massaging your scalp thoroughly, leave it in for like 30 to 45 minutes, then you rinse off your hair. With time, you can experience less hair fall, your hair will keep regrowing, and then it will also help with elasticity. So do well to add aloe vera because it helps regrow your hair naturally. So the next on the list we are discussing now is Amla, is also called gooseberry, and Amla is also native to Indians. If you have started your Ayurvedic journey, you must have heard of Amla. Amla contains essential fatty acid which helps strengthen hair follicles and prevent your hair from breaking. Amla also contains potent antioxidants which stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which also leads to hair regrowth. Like I always say, when your hair is stimulated, when there is blood stimulation to the scalp, what happens? It helps regrow your hair. And Amla can be used in different ways. You can use Amla as a mask, as an oil. You can also use it as a juice. You can put it in water and then you drink it as your Amla juice. So Amla is very, very important to use if you really want to regrow your hair naturally. Scalp massage. Number 7 is scalp massage. A rather unconventional but effective way to regrow your hair naturally is by giving your hair a nice scalp massage. Scalp massage helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp. It helps with the production of oxygen on your scalp, which will do stimulate your hair follicles and then leads to hair regrowth. Studies have shown that with a 4-minute scalp massage once a day for several weeks, there is a significant increase in the progression of the hair cycle. So if you give yourself a scalp massage 4 minutes, do a 4-minute scalp massage once a day for several weeks, you will definitely do You will definitely see or notice that your hair will regrow, because it helps in pumping oxygen to the scalp, stimulates your scalp, which in turn will lead towards hair regrowth naturally. So do well to massage your scalp on a regular basis. If you have not been doing scalp massages, you can do it with your not your fingers but the tip of your fingers. You can also get a scalp massager to do your scalp massage as well. So try that, you will definitely see results. 8 is apple cider vinegar. Yeah, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can aid in hair regrowth or in hair growth. Apple cider vinegar contains properties or has properties that can help ward off bacteria and also help stimulate balanced pH level on your scalp and also on your hair, that stimulates your scalp, which will lead to hair regrowth. It also helps in exfoliating your scalp. It gently exfoliates the scalp, keeping the scalp clean of any inflammation, dandruff. And you know that a healthy scalp, I repeat, a healthy scalp leads to hair growth. So when you give your scalp a neat environment, it will just the follicles of your hair will be stimulated, then they can be able to do what? To grow healthy and then regrow and grow back all the bald patches and all. So you need to start incorporating apple cider vinegar. And how can you use it? You can use apple cider vinegar as your final rinse. After you have washed your hair with your shampoo, condition your hair, then you can mix apple cider vinegar 1 to 2 paste, 1 to 2 ratio. Mix it in water and then use it as your final rinse. Massage it thoroughly on your scalp and then leave it in. That way you can be able to get rid of bacteria on your scalp, and then your scalp will be stimulated, which will help regrow your hair naturally. The next on the list, which is number 9, like I told you, will surprise you, is lemon juice. Oh yeah, some people will like, Muna, you have come again. Yes, lemon juice. Lemon juice is a time-tested solution for all hair and scalp problems or issues. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, B, antioxidants, and folic acid. Lemon juice is a power-packed natural remedy for hair growth. Lemon juice has been known to stimulate hair growth. It has also been known to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which does what? Stimulate your hair follicles and then lead to hair growth or lead to hair regrowth. So you can apply, how can you use it? You can mix lemon juice or to coconut oil, apply it on your scalp, massage it thoroughly, leave it in for like 15 minutes or less, then you can wash it off. But please note, do a patch test before using lemon juice. Do a patch test because it is known to do what? To irritate the skin. Garlic is rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and selenium, all which are known to do what? To promote hair growth. In addition, it is known to contain antimicrobial and antifungal properties which helps kill bacteria and also promote hair growth. Studies have also shown that people who apply garlic, either garlic oil or juice, on their scalp have noticed or experienced hair regrowth. It also helps to treat alopecia as well. So if you want to regrow your hair naturally, you need to do add garlic into your hair regimen. You can either make it as a juice or make it as garlic oil. And I've shared a lot of tips on how you can use onion juice and garlic to regrow your hair naturally. So these are all 10 tips that are proven. Yes, they are proven to do what? To actually regrow our hair naturally. I have tried most of them and it has really worked for me. So guys, if you enjoyed the tips, 10 tips that I've shared today, I would like to know in the comment section, is your hair falling out? Which of these tips would you like to do to apply or use on your scalp? Please let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to comment below. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye.